Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann with Position Realty. Today we are doing an open house tour of our listing at 3009 East Whitten Avenue in the popular 85016 zip code. So this is the outside of the property. And it has a carport as well off the side. So let's go take a look at the inside of the house. Alright, so we walk in here to the living room area, and the living room has a nice laminate wood looking floors, because you can see from the light shining they are very shiny. And then also there is some travertine here that leads along the entryway and over to the hallway area. And it has a coat closet here, or storage closet off the side. So if it's raining out or you need a coat, you can easily grab your coat there. So this could be like a dining room area with some lights over it. And over here is the laundry room. Laundry would have to be a stackable laundry. Washer and dryer does have the hot and cold valves right there off the side. And it has a fairly new Rude gas water heater with the pan on the bottom, as you can see. And then over here off of the side is the kitchen. The owners just installed new granite countertops in the kitchen and a brand new stainless steel sink and faucet with the backsplash going around the side. And then off the side here is a family room. It comes with a cozy fireplace. Here in Arizona it does get cold in December or January. So it's a nice wood burning fireplace to keep you warm. And off the side here is another room. It could be used as a den. It's not classified as a bedroom because it doesn't technically have a closet. It does have a little storage area there off the side. Storage room or den or office would be perfect. It does have a air conditioning unit, as you can see there in the wall. It does get pretty cold in there actually. Let's go check out the backyard. So we step out under a gazebo here. You could put your table, chairs, barbecue over here, entertain friends. It's got grass, kids can play soccer, throw around the ball, and it does have a pool. The pool is crystal clear blue, and it is still hot here in September. It does look like, it makes me feel like I want to jump into the pool. It's nice and blue and clean. And then the side there is a storage shed. You can keep your lawnmower or pool equipment in there. And then you have your pool pump over there off the side. All right, let's go finish the rest of the tour of the inside. Off the side here is a bedroom. I believe the light bulb is burned out. We don't have any light in here at the moment, but we'll easily get that fixed for the buyer. The closet. And this bedroom leads out to the hallway. And there is a nice half bath here off the side. New toilet and pedestal sink. And travertine floor here on the walkway. Off the side here as a linen closet. Keep all your linens in there. Down here as well. And let's check out the master bathroom here. It's kind of a Jack and Jill door system. This goes around, leads to the master. Here's pedestal sinks in the master bathroom. And mirrors and lights, kind of a modern look. And once again, travertine floors. Here's the large walk-in closet. And then on the side here we have the shower and tub, tile going all the way up to the ceiling, and a private toilet room. You can close the door, have some privacy. And then off this door is the master. Now the closet doors are off at the moment. We just had the carpets installed, and the carpet installer needs to come back out and reinstall the closet doors. And then over here off the side, we have the third bedroom with the window leading out to the front yard. So the ceiling fan in here as well. And here's the closet. Once again, closet doors are off. We'll have those put back on for the buyer. And this way leads back to the living room. So that concludes our tour of this listing here on Whitten Avenue. If you have any questions or would like to view the listing, please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at phone number 480-213-5251. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.